Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. It is Thursday, and we have another What Sold video for you today, where we're going to follow Kathy around as she pulls the items that sold for us today. You ready to go?
Yeah. All right. Let's start with eBay. We got box F.
Oh, and we've been photographing bras. We have nowhere to put them, so
these 10 are listed, yeah, but our closet right there is full because I packed it full, and so we were probably gonna have to hang these in our actual closet downstairs.
Closet, yeah.
Because I don't like packing up the bras because I just don't want, like, I already steamed them all, and like you can see some still have wrinkles even after steaming, and like it's just gonna get way worse if I pre-package them. So, anyways. This is my first sale. This is that camel shirt we got at the Denver Bins. So part of the stimulus check challenge. It sold for $9.99 plus ship. So not huge, but about $1 into $9.99. All right, and then box Z. These are some Nike Kobe girls floral shoes. So I thought I like that pattern. It's really pretty. Those I actually got at Once Upon a Child, and so I paid $10 for them. I sold them for $36.35 plus shipping. And box CW.
Oh, gotta move the rack of shoes. Oh, careful.
It's very heavy.
Push, you pull.
All right. Did some late night inventory. Oh, no, is that inventory? What is it called when you type your Goodwill stuff into the spreadsheet? Inventory?
I mean, it's part of the inventorying process. You were putting it all in the spreadsheet.
So I did some of that last night. So the rack's a little fuller today.
That might be more considered like bookkeeping. Putting like the cost of goods and stuff in the spreadsheet.
So this is just a original penguin men's button down. I got this retail arbitrage at TJ Maxx. It was a 2X, and like sun print is like kind of in right now, so it took a while to sell, but it did sell for $22.70 plus shipping. I have $7 into it, so I think that's pretty good for retail arbitrage. And then DL. So the other pair of these Lucky Brand pineapple swim trunks, so have 8 into these from retail arbitrage at Marshall's and sold them for $20 plus shipping. So again, doubling my money on retail clearance stuff is good for me. All right, now Poshmark. So yesterday we had no Poshmark sales. Then we did not share our closet or anything. Well, I did send some offers, and now we have 5 sales, so that's good.
We did not share the closet to get those 5.
We did not share, but I did send some offers on
just those 5 offers, or those offers.
And not all of these sales are from offers, but a couple of them are. So these are some Teva shoes that we got in Nebraska. I paid $6.99 for them. They sold for $35 with discount shipping. So that's pretty good. All right, so next sale's in BK. These are just some pets, and they're going out to a viewer, Michelle. I sent her an offer, not knowing she was a viewer or anything, but she accepted. So she paid $15 with discounted shipping. And yeah, she just said thanks for the offer. She grabbed these for her son, and she loves watching our channel. So
awesome.
Thank you so much, Michelle.
Thank you for all the support, Michelle.
All right, AW.
Uh-oh. See, yeah, those are very close. We kind of made a mistake on our inventory right there.
So we sold a Wrangler Pearl Snap, but I got to figure out which one it is. Because it's a 3X.
So these are both Wrangler Pearl Snaps.
See the tag, yeah, and they're
blue.
Both plaid. Which one is it?
So we try to keep things as random as possible in our inventory system so that this doesn't happen. We should have just looked in the box and found a blue plaid Wrangler Pearl Snap, but we accidentally put 2 in the same box. That looks like it on the right.
Yeah, let me just make sure this one's still listed.
So that happens sometimes, but You know, we just want to verify, double check, make sure that we are sending the right one.
So this is...
Yeah, that's more stripes than...
Yeah, that pattern.
Yeah.
So, yep. That's the one that sold. And it sold for $20. That was an offer someone sent me and I accepted. And I had $3 into the shirt, so not too bad. Put this one back.
Yeah, and that's, like I said, that's why we try to keep it random. We don't try to keep anything similar next to each other, just to make it easier to pull out of the box.
Yeah. I have almost sent somebody the wrong, well, I'm sure I've sent somebody the wrong thing before, but I remember doing that with some snow pants. There was 2 just black snow pants, 2 different brands. I was packing orders late at night, and I almost sent the wrong ones. I don't know how I realized, but I'm glad I did. Alright, so these are some Vans. They're like a girl's moccasin van, I guess.
Oh,
so I got these at Salvation Army, and they charge $2.99 for kids' shoes or $3.99 for boots. But they charge me the boots price for these, I guess, because they're tall. So either way, still not bad. So I paid $3.99 for them, and they sold for $23. So happy with that. And then we sold a pair of the Play sandals.
You good?
Yep.
That works.
Alright, so this is one. I haven't been selling much of these colorway, but I actually like these ones the best. So I think I have 4 left of these. But these someone just bought at my list price, which is at $30. So I make $24 and I have 10 into them. So again, that was an online arbitrage, so to make $14 on a $10 buy, I think that's pretty good. $14 profit. Alright. Then we had one Mercari sale. Get back in box M. This is just a vintage Adidas windbreaker. I've been kind of trying to do some vintage stuff, but this took a while to sell, so someone offered me $14 last night and I took it. I have $3.50 into it, so not great, but not bad. Oh my gosh, that feels like it's getting worse.
The spot is getting worse.
And then we had 2 more Facebook sales. So I sold these Nightmare Before Christmas Vans. I got these at Once Upon a Child. My average cost of goods this day was $6 even. So $6 into $30 plus shipping. And then BK. These are some Nike men's Flyknit. So Flyknits, I like selling the Flyknits. They usually sell around 45 to 55, I'd say. These ones are a little beat up. Well, mostly just like the black is kind of like peeling off. So these have been sitting at least 6 months at this point. So finally got them cross-posted to Facebook. I just put them for 30, even though normally I'd get 40, but I wanted to move them. So yeah, they sold in a day for 30 plus ship. I have $10.99 into them, so Facebook fee is only 5%, so it's like $2, so not too bad. Yeah, that's all so far.
That's it for now. We'll pack these up and be right back. All right, guys, we got that all packed up, ready to go, and it's on the floor because we just recorded this giant haul video. Kathy went out and sourced this morning.
On accident.
On accident.
Literally.
That's quite the accident there, Missy.
So we did just have one more sale though. So
Yeah, we got one sale to pull. Anyway, that haul video should be up probably by the time you're watching this video. Maybe not yet, but right around the time.
So I sold these Vineyard Vines navy chino breaker pants. So I had 2 pairs of them. We sold one like a week or 2 ago, and then this one sold for $31.80 plus shipping, and I have $10 into it retail arbitrage from TJ Maxx. So really good little sale there.
All right.
I haven't.
And we haven't really worked today much.
Because
Well, other than sourcing, right?
Generally in the mornings on Thursdays, because our son goes to school across town. Chris takes him, works on his video stuff.
Yeah.
Comes home, and then we do stuff together for like an hour. But yeah, that didn't happen today. So
Well, we re-recorded the haul video. That was our hour.
That's good. So yeah, I haven't listed today yet, but yesterday when you saw the video, I think this said 26. So I did the bras last night, which was 10 more listings, and then I added to that total. So I think I'll still get something up today because we still have plenty of drafts for me to list.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're doing it.
Yeah.
We're doing.
This morning was a bit of a hectic morning for me. This guy
Oh yeah.
escaped.
Believe it or not, he can jump a fence.
Yeah, they are low fences. You can kind of see across the street. We got these three what are those? 3-rail fence, and he jumped over into our neighbor's yard. Had to track him down as I was leaving to take Sai to school. Luckily, we got him all back and got to school and stuff on time. But also, this smoke detector was going off this morning, so I had to try to get up on that one, which is like right over the staircase, which was not fun. So I had probably one of the roughest mornings I've had in a long time, but yeah, that's what we had going on today. I think that's gonna do it for this video. We'll go ahead and pack that last sale off camera and get these off to the post office and pick Connor up from school. And yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.